The next step after you prepare the journal entry for the additional information, so you need to prepare the publish account. I'll just show you how these entries goes into your publish. So the first entry, alright, debit retained profit, credit plant and machinery. Debit retained profit, that means you reduce, deduct, and you deduct your retained profit and you deduct your plant and machinery. So retained profit is in Sochi. So retained profit here. So this is a previous year error. So we deduct retained profit by 100. So minus. Okay. And then we credit plant and machinery, go into notes to the account under plant and machinery. So we deduct 100. So this is also right as a previous year error. Okay. And then next entry is debit accumulated depreciation, credit retained profit. Credit retained profit means you add, debit accumulated depreciation means you less. Okay, so you deduct your accumulated depreciation for the plant and machinery. So this is accumulated depreciation here. Okay, so minus 20. So this is a previous year error. Alright, and then you credit retained earning means that you add the retained earning by 20,000. So this is also previous year error. Okay, so we're done with this journal entry. Next is debit land, credit ARR. So add land and add ARR. So land you add here 4,000. Okay, so this is revaluation. And then you credit ARR. So you need to have one column for ARR. 4,000. So this is a revaluation of land. Revaluation of land 4,000. Okay, so that's done. Next journal entry, debit SOPL and credit building. So credit building you minus building 100 and you debit SOPL deficit. So you go to your SOPL here. So here you write down as deficit on building, which is 100. So deficit dekat sini minus ya. Okay, and then debit SOPL, credit building, you go to notes to the account. Credit building, so you need to deduct lah 100. So this is deficit. Okay, 100 settle. This one settle. Okay, debit accumulated means you deduct accumulated depreciation and you deduct your building. 6,900. So this is in notes to the account under building, deduct accumulated and deduct building because this is eliminate accumulated depreciation. So minus here, tulis kat sini eliminate accumulated depreciation. Okay. And then you also have here, sorry, copy je, tak kat sini. Okay, so here you debit accumulated depreciation, you credit building 6,900. Okay, these are all depreciation for the building, plant and machinery, motor vehicle 3,100, 8680 to 750. So it goes into the administration here. So kat sini tulis depreciation building, depreciation apa lagi tadi? Oh, depreciation plant and machinery, plant and machinery, and depreciation for motor vehicle. So the amount for building depreciation is 3,100. For the plant and machinery 8680. And for the motor vehicle is 2750. So these are all figures that we took from here. Okay, this is journal entry. Alright, so remember debit means it goes into the administration. Sometimes the question tell you that depreciation on motor vehicle should go under selling. Alright, so if that the case, then you have to follow the question that motor vehicle should go under selling. But for this one, it does not mention anywhere that the motor vehicle should be under selling. So if you put it under admin or selling, it both answer are acceptable. So in this case, I just put it under administration because the question does not tell us that it should go under selling. So I just put it under admin. So credit accumulated depreciation here means that you need to go to the notes. Okay, kat notes ni kena ada, maknanya 3 kali bila buat depreciation. One, you put it here, and then you kena masukkan kat sini debit depreciation kat sini. Kat sini lah dia jadi credit accumulated depreciation. So building tadi ialah 3,100. Plant and machinery is 8680, and then motor vehicle is 2750. Okay, so that completes the journal entry. Debit depreciation and credit accumulated depreciations here. Okay, so we are done with that. So next is debit COGS and credit closing inventory. COGS is in your SOPL. So COGS here, so you need to show the working. So take your COGS from the trial balance. So COGS from the trial balance is 150,600. 150,600. Okay, when you debit your COGS, that means you add plus with 50. Okay, so you will get 15. Okay, you dah campur 150,650. That will be your COGS. 150,650. Okay, alright, done. Next, you credit closing stock. That means go into your SYP here. Under current asset, you have closing inventory here. So you take from the trial balance. Inventory in the trial balance is 74,000. Okay, so 74,000. Credit means you less by 50. So you should have 73950 for your current asset here. 73950. Okay. Alright. So done with that journal entry. Next, tax expenses 32,000 goes into SOPL. So tax 32,000. Okay, and then tax recoverable under current asset 500. Tax recoverable under current asset. Okay, kat sini tax recoverable. Okay, so this one is 500. Okay, next adalah this one, journal entry, debit SOPL, interest on debenture 1,800, credit accrued. So debit SOPL, it goes under financial 1,800, ya. Financial kat sini 1,800. Okay, now interest on debenture, you already have that in the trial balance. Interest on debenture ada kat dalam trial balance. Interest on debenture you have in the trial balance 1,800. So you need to add with the new one yang kita debitkan tadi. So that means, like I said, 1 year it should be 3,600. Credit accrued, so under current liability kat sini. Accrued interest on debenture. Okay, this one 1,800. Okay, settle yang itu. Siap semua dah? So itu sahaja. Those are the only item that need adjustment. So the rest of the item you just copy. Okay, whatever that you have not take out from the trial balance, for example ordinary share, preference share, you just copy and put it inside here. Balance BD for OSC, PSC, revenue you put it in the SOPL. Okay, cost of sale, we have done that. Land, building, plant, machinery, motor vehicle, those are costs, and you put it as the balance BD here. Okay, accumulated is also balance BD here, given in the trial balance. Alright, and then investment property, biological asset, intangible, those are just copy and transfer. Inventory kita dah buat adjustment tadi. Trade receivable just copy, bank copy. Okay, income tax sudah tadi. Return earning you just put as balance BD. 6% debenture you just copy, put in under the non-current liability. Trade payable, dividend income you put under SOPL and then put it here. Okay, dividend income kat sini, yeah. And then commission received, also other income. Wages salary is under your administration. Advertising is under selling here. And then debenture sudah. Okay, preference dividend here. Preference dividend is dividend yang kita bayar kat sini. So kita akan tolak daripada retained profit. 1,600 deducted from the retained profit here because dividend is paid out of retained profit. That's why we minus from the retained profit. So you complete this question, right? You complete this question, then you should get a balancing figure of 584,240. Okay, that will be the balancing figure 584,240. That's the balancing figure for the SYP. I'm sure you can do that because the adjustment is not so much. You just need to know where to transfer. Okay, alright, thank you.